Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? So, what's going on? What's the prediction to upcoming days? Dogecoin moving up or fails down? What's the target of Dogecoin? Elon Musk, especially, told this target, my friend. To what's the target? And especially, my friend, what's my opinion today? Up to buy, hold, or sell? Exactly, wonderful video going now, my friend. So don't skip this video and keep watch, my friend. First of all, if you can see here, this time the crypto market is very badly fails down. No crypto coins to go up, but one of the Dogecoin as unique coin today go up like a rocket. So let's start the prediction, my friend. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel if you are new. Kindly click the red button. Please subscribe and keep touch with us for latest news and updates, my friend. Okay, come to the point, my friend. If you can see here, this time in the last 7 days, my friend, they also change occur and negative exactly after one before in the first 1 week. They also, my friend, very badly fails down. So if you can see here, they completely fails down, but after this fails, they're starting again moving up, my friend. And I hope in upcoming days they also move up. But if you check my previous day videos, absolutely I told you today how they was starting again jump and why they starting again jump. Everything I explained in this video, my friend. Okay, check out the last 2 hour charts, my friend, to what's going on in the last 2 hour chart. This is very important, my friend. Okay, yes, absolutely. And this time you can see here in the morning time, Dogecoin also a negative minus 2.06%. They fails down. You can see here after a fails, my friend, they take a small jump, but up again they fails down. So this is the circulation, my friend. Sometimes they fails down, sometimes they go up like a rocket. So exactly, my friend, Dogecoin, this is does not depend to you sell it or hold it. Please understand, my friend. So please holder, my prediction is that too in upcoming days they also get up and they go up like a rocket, my friend. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit just in the end of the month. So my expectation is very good from Dogecoin, my friend, and the target is, my friend, $1 and Elon Musk especially the targeting now, so they can hit $1 just an upcoming month. So let's see, my friends, so they can hit it or now. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.